it is glueless.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, you're welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate. In here I review wigs from different companies. Okay, today's wig I'll be revealing is from VShowHair. Is pre-cut lace wig, and its hair is glueless. It's kinky coily. Guys, I'm going to leave all the information about this wig on the description box in case if you're interested you can check that out. I guarantee you're going to love this hair because the hair is so gorgeous. If I do say so myself, it is gorgeous. All information will be on the description box, so if you're interested, just head to the description box and check that out. So the wig came in this pack you're seeing here, this beautiful pink package. Let me bring it out. I've opened it and there are some goodies inside. Pair of lashes that came with it. There's also a wig cap, 2 pairs that came with it. I think that is all, and there's a card. Okay, here VShow. So that is it all about this wig. So let me bring out the wig for you guys to see. So this is it. It's in here. It's 20 inches if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's 20 inches and it's kinky coily. Look at it, 20 inches is kinky coily. That's the hair texture. I love coily hair. Ooh, this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. When I look at the hairline, just look at this. They did that already. Oh my god. If you don't know how to pluck hair, guys, this is life-saving. Like me, I find it difficult to pluck my hairline, and when I see any wig that come pluck like this, VShowHair, thank you so much. So if you're a beginner, this is appreciative. You see this, you see the work they did here, and it's center part. See that this is so gorgeous, so gorgeous. I really love this. Wow, see this hair. Look at this hair. Ooh. Oh, this is lovely. So look at this. This is 5x5 lace wig, pre-cut. So you don't need to do that. You see this? Let me zoom in. You see the lace is pre-cut already, okay? So look at this. This is lovely. Lovely. Oh, lovely. The coils are beautiful. So you can wet it. You can add cream to it. Look at this. And inside there is adjustable strap that came with it. You can adjust it. Look at it. Adjust this to wherever length you want, the size of your head. There's no inbuilt. Okay, just that. It's just this adjustable strap. Okay, let's see if this is going to hold the wig firmly to our scalp since it's glueless. So I will adjust my wig cap. I'll still adjust this to the end because I have a small scalp. Look at that. Ooh. So guys, this is it. You can see. Look at it. It's glueless, okay? I'm going to open the part more. So this is it the way it came. Okay, this is it. See this. Oh, I really like the coils.
Let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
This is nice, so nice. I want to add bronzer to the part. The darken it a little, it's too white. See that? Then I'll use the bronzer to touch here as well. This is just to blend it with my skin, okay? Because it's a little bit white. So my skin tone, you see this? As I did that, you see it blends with my skin. So if it's the same thing with your skin tone, you don't need to do this. But if it's a little bit whiter than your skin tone, you can use a bronzer of your skin type, okay? The same color, just to blend that. So I want to try to comb it out to see, then define the coils again, okay? Oh, look at this. Oh, my God. Wow, wow, wow. Then we'll try to define the coils back. Little that came out of it. See, not much, just little. See, it's little that came out of it. So if you're interested, all information about this wig from VShow will be on the description box, and I'll check if there's any discount code. I'm going to include it on the description box as well, so check that out in case if you're interested. Look at this.
When you stepped into my life, such a magic feeling. We tore down my wall.
Okay, water. So look at it. The side that added water. Look at the other side. Okay, see the coils. So I'm going to add cream. I'll add this cream.
Again. We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again.
And it's not long, so long.
We never fall. Could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars.
Guys, look at it.
You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. Look at us now.
Ah, it's not long, really long. You see the coils. You can just try this.
I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again.
So guys, that is it for this hair from VShowHair. So I'm going to leave the link on the description box. All information will be on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. You can see that it's glueless. Look at this, it is glueless, okay? You can carry this hair afro, you can define the coils whatever way you want it. After putting your cream or wetting it, you can dry it again to make the coils a little bit big. So it depends on what you want. So that is it. I love the hair. There's no tangling, there's no shedding. You guys know coily hair shed a lot, but this one did not shed, just little thing that came from it. I really love it, and the fact that it's glueless is life-saving. They pre-cut the lace, which is another life-saving. Okay. So that is it, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. If you like it here, gorgeous, why not subscribe? Hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Thank you so much for doing that. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget, all information will be on the description box, so check that out. All right, I love the hair. It's gorgeous. Look at this. This is the full length. All right.